To start off with my first activity, to comparing and contrasting the book and the movie, there's this activity that they would get into groups. Your students would get into groups of probably 3 or 4, and they'll get this paper that says similarities of the book and the movie and differences of the book and the movie. And they'll have 2 different colored post-it notes, and together they would write down what they think were similar in the movie and difference in the movie, and then we would all talk about them together in front of the class and see how, if we agree or if we disagree, and then we move them around as a class. So if a student put one here that I really didn't feel like was a similarity, we would talk about it and we would move them around as a class. Also, just a Venn diagram all up on the board, so we would all write what happened in the movie, what happened in the book, and what are some things that are similar that happened, all up on the board together. And then the next one is a character character differences, like in the movie and the book. So this one would be a classroom all together. Would ask a question. In this instance, was Max the same in the book as a movie? And if they agree, they'll go to the one side of the room. If they disagree, they'll go to the other side of the room. Something just to be collaborative and something to get your students discussing about which ones are different, which ones are same. And then you can have a little debate with it as well, because you have some students to the left and some students to the right, and they can explain their reasonings. So those are my 3 activities for this assignment.